The Lamp of Second Chances. Once in a quiet town named Willowbrook lived a boy named Ryan. He was 14, curious, and sometimes careless. Ryan loved exploring old places, especially the abandoned railway station outside town. His parents warned him not to wander alone, but Ryan enjoyed adventure more than rules. One cool autumn afternoon, Ryan decided to visit the station again. The wind rustled dry leaves, and crows called from old electric poles. Ryan walked along the cracked platform and stepped inside the broken waiting room. Dust floated in thin light beams from the roof cracks. He kicked old newspapers and cans as he explored. Suddenly, his foot hit something hard. He bent down and picked up a small metal lamp, covered in mud and rust. It looked ancient. Ryan thought it might be valuable. He wiped it with his shirt. To his surprise, the metal began to glow weakly. He rubbed it harder. And then, a soft white mist rose from the spout and filled the room. Ryan stepped back. The mist turned into a figure. A tall old man with silver hair and long robes appeared before him. His eyes looked gentle and wise. Ryan's heart raced. Was this a dream? The old man spoke calmly. Do not fear, young one. I am Elias, the guardian of the lamp. Ryan swallowed. Are you a genie? Elias shook his head. No, not a genie, but a guide. This lamp is ancient and holds the power of second chances. It does not grant wealth or wishes. It gives opportunities to correct mistakes. Ryan frowned. But why appear to me? Elias looked deep into his eyes. Because you carry regret in your heart, a mistake you wish to undo. Ryan lowered his head. He remembered last week. He had argued with his best friend Daniel and said hurtful things. They had stopped talking. Ryan felt terrible but was too shy to apologize. Elias continued, This lamp shows one moment from your past and gives you one chance to face it differently. Ryan hesitated. Only one. Elias nodded. Use it wisely. Before Ryan could think, the lamp glowed brighter. The abandoned station faded. Ryan suddenly found himself in his classroom a week earlier. Students laughed and talked. Daniel sat beside him, just like before the fight. Ryan realized the moment had come. Daniel turned and handed him a notebook. I wrote the math answers if you want to check. Ryan remembered how he had responded rudely that day. He had accused Daniel of showing off. This time, Ryan breathed deeply. Thanks, Daniel. I was really stressed that day, and I shouldn't have yelled before. I'm sorry. Daniel looked surprised, then smiled. It's okay. I thought you were angry at me. I wasn't, Ryan said. You're my best friend. Daniel nodded, and the bell rang. The scene faded. Ryan felt light, relieved, until suddenly he was back at the abandoned station. Elias stood there again. You chose honesty and humility. That path always heals. Ryan smiled. Thank you. I feel better now. But Elias wasn't finished. The lamp holds one more lesson. Come. The room changed again, this time into Ryan's home. He saw his mother calling him for dinner and him ignoring her, scrolling through his phone. His mother sighed and walked away tiredly. Ryan understood. He often took his parents for granted. He approached her. She looked young and alive in this memory, not noticing him. This time Ryan gently spoke. Mom, I'm coming. He hugged her. She seemed surprised but happy as Ryan joined her at the table. The image dissolved. Ryan returned once more to the station. Elias' voice echoed. Small kindnesses create the greatest changes. Ryan asked, Will I remember all this? Yes, Elias answered. A second chance means nothing if you forget the lesson. The light faded, and suddenly Ryan woke up at home, his head resting on the sofa. Evening light in the room. Was it a dream? He looked beside him. The ancient lamp lay there silently. His phone buzzed. A message appeared from Daniel. "Hey, want to play football tomorrow?" Ryan smiled and replied, "Yes. And thanks. For everything." Then he walked to the kitchen. His mother was cutting vegetables. Ryan stepped forward and hugged her. She looked shocked. "What happened?" she asked. Ryan simply said, "Nothing. Just wanted to say thank you." His mother smiled warmly, touched by his sudden affection. Ryan placed the lamp gently on his shelf. It did not glow anymore, but he knew its power was real. He had fixed his mistake and learned to value people before pride. From that day, Ryan tried to be more patient, kinder, and grateful. Not because of the lamp, but because he understood that second. Chances are precious, and not everyone receives them twice.